here we have a few air conditioners, commercial property. Here's a straight cool Trane XP1000 from 1999. Here's a Trane Executive, 1985 Trane Executive, I believe it's a straight cool unit. And here's a Comfort Aire ductless unit. XP1000 small numbers TTB 03 6C100A. Serial number is P40117EBF. The 1985 Trane's small numbers BTD 730A100B0. Serial numbers Y09223844. It was made in February of 1985. Right there's a compressor. It's scroll compressor from the looks of it. It says Trane on there. Compressor, and it does not have a reversing valve, so therefore it's straight cool, alright. Thing's old. And right here's the Comfort Aire unit. You can see right here it says Comfort Aire. It's an Aire V9. And model number is a A-HMH30AS. But the XP1000 is running. This is the largest XP1000. This one of the largest XP1000s I've ever seen. I've never seen an XP1000 like this to be exact. Alright, commercial unit. But all these other ones right here are off. And over here is a Goodman unit. It's currently off. It's right here. It says Goodman. The model number is GSC1304881AF. Serial number 0806309002. So this is, I believe this is 2008 Goodman unit. So yeah, a 2008 Goodman unit. Here's a better look at the Goodman. And a 1999 Trane XP1000, 1985 Trane, and a Comfort Aire ductless unit. Over and out.